Welcome back to yet another UND Aerocast episode. I'm CFI Anthony Bettini. You know, back in 1968, a true visionary by the name of John D. Odegaard set out on a mission with nothing more than a passion for aviation, a handful of eager students, and, oh yeah, dare I fail to mention, a pair of trusty old Cessna 150s. This year, as we celebrate 40 years of professional aerospace education, UND Aerospace sits poised to usher in a new and exciting era of flight training as we team up once again with the Cessna Aircraft Company to embrace the continuation of an historic 40-year relationship. On today's UND Aerocast episode, I'm proud and excited to introduce to you the newest member of the UND Aerospace fleet, the brand new 2008 Cessna 172. The new Cessna 172s will take over as UND Aerospace's primary flight trainer and will simply accentuate whatever UND Aerospace student already enjoys each time he or she takes to the sky. Safe, reliable, predictable. These are all words that best describe the Cessna's proven success as the world's most popular single-engine trainer. And for all of you current and prospective UND Aerospace students, your brand new training aircraft offers the latest in digital avionics in a glass cockpit configuration. All of the Cessna 172 flight instruments and engine parameters are displayed on the Garmin G1000 avionics suite, comprised of a primary flight display and a multi-function flight display. And I've got to say it, in my personal opinion, one of the most exciting features of the new 172s are the spaciousness of the interior. You know, even my, let's just say, above average 6'8" body fits comfortably at the controls. This cockpit offers an ideal setting for students to learn anything from the basics of aircraft control to mastering modern avionics techniques required to successfully descend and land under challenging instrument flight conditions. But the most popular single-engine trainer didn't become popular because of its leg room or even its leather seats for that matter. No, I would guess that most pilots that have ever been trained in the 172 would probably reflect on its remarkable performance as a training aircraft and its smooth and predictable flight characteristics. Yes, in fact, most pilots would probably remember back to their first few flights, to the feeling of their wheels leaving the earth, as man and machine joined and took to the sky. introduction of the Cessna 172 to the UND Aerospace fleet marks the birth of a new type of flight training experience here at the University of North Dakota. Conventional aviation wisdom and techniques will always be the foundation of any flight training conducted at UND Aerospace. But the Cessna 172 offers every student pilot the necessary tools to help ease their transition as they advance in a profession that demands expertise in the latest and most exciting technologies. It's been over 40 years since the first Cessna airplane emerged from the hangar doors at UND Aerospace in Grand Forks, North Dakota. Well, now that legendary airplane has returned to take the place as the backbone of a fleet of over 100 aircraft. And though this airplane has been subject to some new and welcomed innovations, these familiar wings seem to transcend the decades of growth and innovation in professional flight education at UND Aerospace. As always, for the UND Aerocast, I'm Anthony Bettini. Please have fun and fly safe.